Have you ever dreamed of generating real income working from home on your own schedule and using only a free or low-cost tool that's revolutionizing the world right now? It's December 2025, and artificial intelligence is no longer a thing of the future. Thousands of ordinary people like you and me are earning between $5,000 and $30,000 a month with simple strategies that anyone can replicate in weeks.
In this video, we'll reveal exactly how to monetize AI quickly and effectively, comparing the best tools available, including Grok 4, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, so you can choose the one that will help you earn the fastest based on your style. This isn't about empty promises or get-rich-quick schemes. It's a step-by-step roadmap tested by freelancers, creators, and entrepreneurs who are already making a living from it.
If you're tired of watching others succeed while you're still searching for the formula, this video is your turning point. Stick around until the end because we're going to share the latest tactics, real-world profit examples, and the mistakes you should avoid to save time and money. If even one idea helps you, give it a like right now so YouTube can show it to more people who need it.
Subscribe and hit the notification bell because we're uploading fresh content every week about how to leverage AI to generate real income. And most importantly, leave any questions or comments below or let us know what niche you'd like us to explore next. We read every single comment and respond regularly. Let's get straight to the point.
Accelerating income with AI in late 2025, strategies, tools, and in-depth comparisons. As of December 13, 2025, artificial intelligence has evolved into one of the most accessible and powerful income accelerators available to anyone with an internet connection. The leading models, Grok 4 from xAI, ChatGPT powered by OpenAI's O3 and GPT-5 variants, Claude 4 from Anthropic, and Gemini 2.5 Pro from Google, enable ordinary people to launch profitable side hustles that scale to $5,000, $30,000 per month within just 3 to 6 months. Thousands of freelancers, content creators, and entrepreneurs are already living proof. They use these tools to produce high-volume, high-quality work far faster than traditional methods allow. The key to success lies not in relying on a single AI, but in strategically combining them, leveraging Grok 4 for real-time trends and viral content, Claude 4 for polished professional writing, ChatGPT for versatile high-volume output, and Gemini 2.5 Pro for deep research and complex analysis.
No model wins every category, which is why top earners in 2025 adopt multi-AI workflows. Grok 4 stands out for dynamic, real-time tasks thanks to its native integration with X, making it unmatched for spotting trends, crafting witty viral posts, and conducting rapid market research, ideal for social media management or affiliate reviews, where creators report earning 5,000 plus monthly. ChatGPT excels as an all-rounder, delivering strong performance across math, logic, and varied content styles, perfect for high-volume freelancing like generating dozens of product descriptions daily. Claude 4 shines in reliability and low hallucination rates, producing consistent, professional-grade writing and technical documents that command premium rates of $100–500 per piece. Finally, Gemini 2.5 Pro dominates in hard science, mathematics, and long context projects, with its massive 1 million token window enabling in-depth reports and consulting services. In terms of speed and cost, Grok 4 offers a fast, affordable API while remaining free with limits on Grok.com and apps. ChatGPT and Claude 4 require 20-month subscriptions for full access with higher API costs for heavy users. Gemini benefits from competitive pricing within Google's ecosystem. Creativity varies too. Grok's less censored, engaging personality fuels viral content, while Claude maintains a thoughtful professional tone. ChatGPT offers flexible styles, and Gemini leans towards structured, scientific output. Recent 2025 benchmarks from sources like Clarify, Passionfruit, and Artificial Analysis confirm there is no universal leader. The best tool depends entirely on your specific monetization path.
The fastest route to cash flow remains AI-boosted freelancing, where you can land your first clients in 1 to 4 weeks. By using Grok 4 to craft viral social media threads, ChatGPT to produce varied SEO-optimized articles, and Claude 4 for final premium edits, freelancers routinely offer blog packages on platforms like Upwork for $5,300 each and scale to $10,000 monthly. Grok's real-time X integration gives a unique edge in social media management, allowing you to detect emerging trends instantly and charge $1,000, $3,000 per client per month. Many also specialize in prompt engineering and multi-model consulting, helping businesses set up efficient workflows, combining the strengths of all four tools. For those seeking more passive income, digital products represent a powerful second pillar, often generating sales within 1 to 2 months. Claude 4 is particularly effective at drafting polished ebooks, online courses, and templates that sell repeatedly on platforms like Gumroad for $20, $100 each. Combining AI-generated art from complementary tools like Midjourney with these models has led to consistent passive Etsy earnings of $2,000, $5,000 monthly for printables and digital downloads.
Content monetization through affiliates and platforms like YouTube or TikTok delivers commissions quickly when you create honest comparisons, such as Grok versus ChatGPT for freelancers. Backed by real tests, faceless channels thrive by pairing Gemini's thorough research with Grok's engaging scripts. More advanced users tap into APIs, Grok's affordable rates are especially attractive, or no-code platforms to build micro SaaS products and custom chatbots that scale to higher earnings over 2 to 6 months. Success in late 2025 demands a smart multi-AI approach. Start with Grok 4 for fresh ideas and trending insights. Refine with Claude 4, scale volume using ChatGPT, and verify depth with Gemini 2.5 Pro. Always add your human touch through editing to maintain quality and avoid detection penalties. Promote aggressively on X, where Grok gives you an inherent advantage, and LinkedIn while disclosing AI use ethically and focusing relentlessly on delivering genuine value.
The opportunity is real, and thousands are already earning full-time incomes this way. Choose the models that match your style, start small, experiment freely, and scale rapidly. Your breakthrough begins today. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. You've invested your time in something that can truly change your financial reality. Proven strategies updated as of December 13th, 2025 to generate real income with artificial intelligence without empty promises or magic schemes. Thousands of people are already applying these ideas and seeing concrete results in weeks, and now you have the same step-by-step roadmap as them. Your dedication in watching this entire video demonstrates that you're ready to take the next step and turn AI into a stable source of income.
If even a single tactic, example, or comparison between Grok, ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini has been helpful, I invite you to subscribe right now and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Every week, we upload fresh and in-depth content about technological development, the digital economy, new tools that are revolutionizing the world, cutting-edge scientific discoveries, and, above all, underreported or completely uncovered news from traditional media. Here you'll find information that few are sharing, honest analysis, and real opportunities before they become widespread. Join this growing community and stay one step ahead. See you in the next video.